New details tonight in a deadly officer-involved shooting in Northeast Houston. Police say a 29-year-old man is dead after firing a high-powered rifle outside his home this morning. It happened in a neighborhood on Hartwick near Hempstead Road. As investigators work to learn whether he fired at officers, neighbors told our Michelle Choi gunfire in that area is nothing new.
A tense morning along Hartwick Road in Northeast Houston. Police flooding the street after reports of gunfire around 8 a.m. Assistant Chief Yasar Bashir says 3 officers responded after 911 calls reported a man firing a high-powered rifle outside his home.
They gave verbal commands to this individual to drop the weapon and show him his hands.
Bashir says the man refused, and that's when 2 of the 3 officers opened fire multiple times. He says officers rendered first aid until paramedics arrived, but the 29-year-old suspect who lived on the property died at the scene.
We do believe at this time that there's evidence that he did discharge his weapon prior to the officer arrival. The question you may have is, did he fire at the officers? And I just want to state clearly that that is going to be part of the investigation.
The officers, one with 5 years of experience, the other 3 were not hurt. Chief Bashir says investigators will process the recovered AR-15 style rifle, and body-worn camera video will be released within 30 days.
Unfortunately, this had to come to end, but the officers, they had to protect themselves and the community as well.
When I asked about neighbors' concerns and calls for more police presence, he told me HPD will be stepping up patrols in this area.
That's something we will do, with provide more extra police presence, directed patrol in this area.
One of the neighbors hoping that happens is Mari, who lives just a street over. She says hearing gunfire is far too common here. Does it happen? Do you hear it a lot in this neighborhood?
Every night. It's very worrisome because sometimes we're outside with our kids playing, like on this lot, because it's empty, and you can hear them. We just have to go back in.
She calls it dangerous behavior and hopes neighbors start realizing the risks.
It's not only about the guns. I think it's the persons. They're not getting conscious of the arms that they have and the damage they can do to someone else.
Houston police are reminding residents, if you hear gunfire, report it immediately. As for this incident, they don't believe anyone else was hurt.
Thank God that nobody was hurt. Officers are safe, and there was no other threat to the community.
In Northeast Houston, Michelle Choi, KHOU 11 News.